You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names pronounced, including from Polish and other origins, stay tuned. I've got many more videos for you. You're going to learn so much from them. Stay tuned. There are different pronunciations, I'm afraid, and that depends on the origin of the name. In Polish, it's also used in Germany. In Polish, it's pronounced as Alicja. Alicja. Okay, which is like a ts sound. Alicja. Now, in Germany, it's more pronounced as Alicia. Alicia. I believe some countries pronounce it also as Alicia. How do you pronounce it? Where are you from? Let us know in the comments. Let everybody know so we can learn from you. Alicja, Alicia, or Alicia? How do you say it yourself? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.